Hello all, my name is Vandana Lad. I want to talk about a certain program that I underwent recently with Manojkumar Nair. This program was called the Mind Liberation Control Program, or MLC in short. What I liked about this program was the way it was designed. So simple and so lucid and yet so powerful. The tools and techniques that the students or the participants are exposed to in this program are they are things that give you access to certain very remote areas of your mind, or at least that's the way it was for me. I got in touch with certain unfamiliar aspects of my own thought process, and I found that very fascinating because certain techniques allow you to even interpret your dreams, and at the end of it you end up feeling so empowered because there is this sense of learning something or being equipped with certain knowledge that allows you to deal with your maybe deep-rooted fears or emotions that we otherwise find a little difficult to understand. And it's beyond logic actually, because the meditations that we are taken through, they're all guided meditations. These meditations and certain other techniques that are taught in this program give us a sense of control over how we deal with situations in life, and it's very empowering. And I would personally recommend this program to anyone and everyone. I think Manoj does a great job of opening up our minds to some very fascinating things. Yes, so I think everyone must go for this. Who is watching this video, I think you must take a shot at this program. I would personally like to thank Manoj for all the experiences that he's provided all the participants in this program, and me in particular. So thank you, Manoj, and thanks for being there. Thank you.